Hey guys, welcome back. We have made it to episode 20 of the Broken Boxster battle, and today I'm going out to pick up the new engine. So hey, let's make a video on how to pick up an engine if you need to do that. So we have truck, first critical element, bringing a tarp with me, bringing cash, and let's get on the road. Drive. Quick stop for gas and snacks, and we're almost there. All right, all you gotta do is get yourself a little forklift, a nice engine on a crate, drive it in. So we just tied it down right through here where your starter goes. Kicked out that pallet so that it's low enough to close the top, and we're back on the road again. All right, back at home base. Time to take this thing out. We got Eric helping again. We got a hoist and gonna get some straps, figure out how to get it out. And that is how you get a new engine. So what I did is I put the engine mount back on, and I just used a hook around each side of this where the bolts go in, and then obviously one through here where the starter goes, and voila. All right, here she is. Oh, I even have spark plugs in there. Need to get the tubes over there to keep stuff from going in there. They have these cool metal covers for the air intake, so stuff doesn't fall through there. But man, that is a shiny, clean engine. And I guess they all have this. It's too dirty to even notice it on mine. They have all of these numbered. And 3, 2, 1. Very cool. So this one's different than mine. This front, I forgot what they call this piece. The front, I'll come up with it, is different than mine. Mine was metal, and this has like a quick connect for the hose. So supposedly I can just cut mine off, and I don't know. I have to research how to attach it, but somewhere there's some easy way that I can attach it, because this is the slightly newer engine than the one that came out of mine. But yeah, that is what it looks like. All right, so on the next episode, I am going to actually start putting the old engine back together, clean it up a little bit, and start reassembling it, mostly just to get that stuff off of my floor and out of the way. And then I will be installing this engine that you saw today into the Boxster. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying this series. It's been a long journey, and we're only halfway done. So look forward to making some more episodes. Please give the videos some thumbs up, share them with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one.